Okay, welcome to my class. Today we are going to see about the Boolean algebra concept. First of all, Boolean algebra is a separate kind of mathematics. Here we are going to do the operations on binary numbers, that is 0 and 1. So for this, first we should define this, that is called as gate. We call also as logic gate. So it is electronic circuit which perform operations on this 0 and 1. So we are having n number of logic gates. So we'll start with very basic gates. We'll call it as first one, NOT gate. So we'll write the symbol for the NOT gate. The symbol for the NOT gate is like this. If I call here the input as some variable a, so the output I will mention it as y is equals to a bar. Then we can write the truth table of this, which will show the relationship between input and output. So here input and here it is output. So if I write input as 0, so here it is 0, the output is negation of this, we will get as 1. If the input is 1, we will get the negation of this as 0. So this is 1, this is 0. So this is truth table, and the logic equation is, we can write it as y is equals to a bar. So this is the first gate. So second gate, basic gates, we can mention it as basic gates. So second one is AND gate. In the AND gate, we'll write the symbol. The symbol of AND gate is like this, where AND gate is having two inputs, A and B, and output is Y. So truth table, how we can write? So we can write A and B as inputs and 1 is output. So truth table is a table which shows the relationship between input and output. So here we can start writing these combinations of A and B. So here, since we can generalize this format as 2 power n, where n means number of inputs. So how many number of inputs are there? 2. So 2 power 2, what is that? 4. So the 4 possible combinations of zeros and ones will get. The first possible combination is 0 0. Second possible combination is 0 1. Third possible combination is 1 0. And the last possible combination is 1 1. So first row, second row, third row, fourth row. When we give this A and B, both are 0 0. So here this is also called by the name logical multiplication operation. So here 0 we should multiply with 0, we will get 0. 0 multiply with 1, we will get 0. 1 multiply with 0, we will get 0. 1 multiply with 1, we will get 1. So this is called as logical multiplication and the AND gate. Third basic gate we will see, that is called as OR gate. So here it is logical addition we will call. So what is the symbol of the OR gate is like this. Inputs are 2, A and B, output is Y. Now truth table, if you write same, how many inputs? 2 inputs, A and B. How many output? That is 1, that is here. So here this format, same like this, how many number of inputs are there? 2. So how many possible combinations of zeros and ones will get? 4. So first possible combination is 0 0, second is 0 1, third is 1 0, fourth is 1 1. Similarly, however we have done with respect to AND gate, we will do the operation. But here we should do the logical addition. So before this we should know this concept. If I add 0 plus 0, we will get 0. 0 with 1, we will get 1. 1 with 0, we will get 1. And 1 plus 1, we will get here as 1. This is the, based on this guidelines, we will do the addition here. So what is 0 plus 0? 0. 0 plus 1? 1. 1 plus 0? 1. What is 1 plus 1? It is 1. So this is the truth table. So here, now we will see the logic equation. So the logic equation of this AND gate. So what exactly we are doing? two inputs A multiplied with B. So simply we will write it as AB. Then what is the logic equation of this? What we are doing, A addition with B. So we will write it as A plus B. So here multiplication symbol is there, here it is addition symbol is there, right? So these are the three basic gates we are having. So with the help of this, we can go for another two gates. That is, we can see here this is AND gate. So I will write just this as a NAND gate, so that we will call it as a NOT of AND. So how to write this? Same. Here instead of writing this just symbol, we will write as bubble.